Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Unreal Engine login problems, launcher errors step by step clearly. To resolve Unreal Engine login problems, start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection for any interruptions. Next, restart the Unreal Engine launcher. Close the application completely before reopening it. If the issue persists, check for updates on the Unreal Engine launcher. Navigate to the official website to ensure you have the latest version. Another step is to clear the launcher's cache. Locate the folder containing the cache files. Delete the cache files to refresh the launcher. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try resetting your password. Go to the official Epic Games website and select the option to reset your password. Follow the prompts to complete the reset process. Once you've reset the password, attempt to log in again. If the problem remains, verify your Epic Games account status. Ensure there are no restrictions or bans on your account. An additional fix is to run the launcher as an administrator. Right-click on the Unreal Engine launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. If you still face issues, temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software. These security programs can sometimes block connections to the launcher. After disabling them, try logging in again. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the Unreal Engine launcher. Uninstall the current version before downloading a fresh copy from the official site. Follow the installation prompts to set it up anew. After reinstalling, check if you can successfully log in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.